Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to save your intestines from damage with these 9 amazing foods. We're going to break down the science behind each of these foods and show you exactly how they can help you achieve optimal gut health. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the details. We'll be sharing some practical tips on how to easily incorporate these gut-friendly foods into your daily diet. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a fan-favorite yogurt. It's all thanks to those microscopic superheroes probiotics. These live bacteria are like tiny guardians, fighting off harmful bacteria and maintaining a healthy balance in your gut. When everything is in harmony, your digestion runs smoothly, your immune system is strong, and you feel your best. But when bad bacteria take over, it can lead to bloating, discomfort, and even more serious health issues. That's where yogurt comes in. It's packed with probiotics, particularly lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains, which have been shown to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Not all yogurts are created equal though. Look for yogurts that contain live and active cultures and try to avoid those loaded with added sugars. Plain yogurt is a great option, and you can always add your own natural sweeteners like honey or fruits. Incorporating yogurt into your diet is easy. Have it for breakfast, add it to your smoothies, or use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream in your recipes. So make yogurt your gut's new best friend and enjoy the benefits of a happy and healthy digestive system. Next up, let's travel to Korea for our next gut-friendly food, kimchi. This spicy and tangy fermented cabbage is a staple in Korean cuisine, and for good reason. Kimchi is a powerhouse of probiotics thanks to its fermentation process. Fermentation enhances the flavor and shelf life of food while creating beneficial probiotics that are great for your gut. Kimchi is typically made with cabbage, radishes, garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and other spices, all of which contribute to its unique flavor and health benefits. The real magic of kimchi lies in its abundance of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help to populate your gut with good bacteria, keeping the bad guys in check and promoting a healthy balance. Regular consumption of kimchi has been linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation in the gut, and even a boosted immune system. Adding kimchi to your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy it as a side dish with your meals, add it to your stir-fries, or use it to spice up your sandwiches and burgers. So, embrace the bold flavors of kimchi and let this fermented superstar work its magic on your gut health. Let's journey to Europe now and explore another fermented food that's a true champion for your gut: sauerkraut. This tangy and slightly sour cabbage dish is a staple in German cuisine and is renowned for its digestive benefits. Like kimchi, sauerkraut undergoes a fermentation process that transforms ordinary cabbage into a probiotic powerhouse. Sauerkraut is loaded with probiotics, particularly lactobacillus bacteria, which have been shown to promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria help to crowd out harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. In addition to probiotics, sauerkraut is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Incorporating sauerkraut into your diet is simple. Enjoy it as a topping for your sandwiches, hot dogs, or salads. You can also add it to your soups, stews, or side dishes for a tangy and flavorful boost. So embrace the tangy goodness of sauerkraut and let its probiotic power enhance your gut health. Let's move on to a pungent yet powerful food that's been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries: garlic. This aromatic bulb is not only a culinary staple but also a potent prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping them to flourish. Garlic contains a compound called inulin, a type of fiber that acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria. When you eat garlic, inulin reaches your lower digestive tract, where it's fermented by good bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish the cells lining your colon and promote a healthy gut environment. Garlic also possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, thanks to a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut, reducing the risk of infections and digestive upset. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to your stir-fries, soups, stews, or sauces for a flavorful boost. So embrace the pungent power of garlic and let its prebiotic and antibacterial properties protect your gut health. Let's crunch our way to better gut health with almonds, a nutritious and delicious snack that's packed with fiber, a key nutrient for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber also acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping them to thrive and produce short-chain fatty acids, which nourish your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Almonds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing down digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, doesn't dissolve in water and adds bulk to your stool, helping to keep things moving along smoothly. In addition to fiber, almonds are also a good source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, all of which contribute to their gut-healthy properties. Incorporating almonds into your diet is easy and enjoyable. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your trail mixes, sprinkle them on top of your yogurt or oatmeal, or use almond flour as a gluten-free alternative in your baking. So, embrace the crunchy goodness of almonds and let their fiber power enhance your gut health. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so the saying goes. But did you know that apples are also incredibly beneficial for your gut health? It's all thanks to a special type of fiber found in apples called pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber that acts like a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. When pectin reaches your colon, it's fermented by good bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish your gut lining and promote a healthy gut environment. Pectin also helps to regulate bowel movements by adding bulk to your stool and softening it, preventing both constipation and diarrhea. Pectin can also bind to cholesterol in your gut, helping to lower your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. In addition to pectin, apples are also a good source of other nutrients that are beneficial for gut health, including vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Incorporating apples into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your salads, or use them in your baking. So, embrace the sweet and juicy goodness of apples and let their pectin power enhance your gut health. Let's spice up our gut health journey with ginger, a warming and aromatic root that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe digestive ailments. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps to reduce inflammation in the gut, relieving symptoms like bloating, gas, and nausea. Gingerols and shogols, the active compounds in ginger, are responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in your body, reducing inflammation and pain. Ginger also helps to stimulate digestion by increasing the production of digestive juices and enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy and delicious. Add fresh ginger to your stir-fries, soups, or smoothies. You can also enjoy ginger tea, ginger ale, or crystallized ginger for a sweet and spicy treat. So, embrace the warming and soothing power of ginger and let its anti-inflammatory properties enhance your gut health. Let's add a touch of golden goodness to our gut health journey with turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's been a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine for centuries. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its numerous health benefits, including its gut-healing properties. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps to reduce inflammation in the gut, relieving symptoms like bloating, gas, and pain. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your gut lining from damage caused by free radicals. Curcumin helps to improve digestion by increasing the production of bile, a digestive fluid that helps to break down fats. Curcumin can also help to reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to your curries, soups, stews, or smoothies for a warm and earthy flavor. So embrace the golden goodness of turmeric and let its curcumin power enhance your gut health. Let's wrap up our gut health journey with leafy greens, the nutritional powerhouses that provide a solid foundation for a healthy digestive system. Leafy greens are packed with fiber, a key nutrient for maintaining regular bowel movements and promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. It also acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, helping them to thrive and produce short-chain fatty acids which nourish your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or simply sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Aim for a variety of leafy greens such as spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard to reap the benefits of their diverse nutrient profiles. So, embrace the vibrant goodness of leafy greens and let their fiber and nutrient richness enhance your gut health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. By incorporating these 9 amazing foods into your diet, you can nourish your gut, promote a healthy balance of bacteria, and reduce your risk of digestive issues. Stay healthy and